I don't know if this thing's ever going to come off.
Yeah, it feels like it's been forever stuff.
Yeah, it is. They delayed me 4 more weeks. Just for driving.
Yeah.
See these little noises you got to get. You hear that noise? You hear that noise? Little slammeroo right there. This is the music you need to start the Lambo. You ready? Dee-doo. Now it starts. Love it. I don't know who adjusted this freaking steering wheel. Holy crap. Totally different sound from the Aventador.
So much different.
Right?
So much different.
Yeah, totally different sound. The Aventador's a lot more in your face. All right, here we go. We could just do the one by my building, maybe. No more wings. They go down at speed. That's only second gear, man. That's crazy. Look how this thing just... You notice half leather, half Alcantara, right?
It's the SV interior. Sort of.
However, yes, but what Lamborghini it does is they change their cockpits. Like from the driver's has a different driver's. It has a totally different. Usually, it has a totally different material on the passenger side than the driver's side. Like sometimes it's perforated leather on that side and non-perforated on this side. This time they just happen to put Alcantara and freaking leather. So, which fake cow and cow. Unless that's the inside out of the cow, I have no idea. Or you get in trouble. Yeah, if this guy wasn't in the parking lot, I would have taken off, but I don't want to hit him, you know what I mean? With his Martini and Rossi truck, he might be drinking. All right, we're taking this one now. How do you not smile when you hear that every time? Now you're gonna hear a totally different sound. Now this car I'm like the maestro of. I just play music in this car with the exhaust. See, in the Mercy, I'd never pull out right then. I'm okay with a low speed in this car. I can make this car sound good at any RPM, man. Listen to that. That's music right there, dude. I won't really get caught going fast around here though. I remember when I was at this barracks here, my sergeant made me stop over here with radar and hit him coming down this hill in his van. I got him at like 105 miles an hour. Wouldn't go no faster. He had a big conversion van. Listen to that. This guy will call and complain. He will. He'll call me and complain. So I don't speed right there. Now you know why I take the Aventador. It's my car of choice. Always. Right here, look. Look. Ready? Right there. That noise. That's enough just to keep my neighbors mad at me usually. I sound like I'm flying and I'm not speeding at all. I can make it pop too. We do a lot of filming up in this development up here. Okay, ready? You're on, right? Yeah, I haven't even hit 6,000 RPMs.
That's actually unreal.
Yeah. I don't see a need to beat on my cars. That's me that does it. It's all matter how you blip the throttle. You get a little noise. That's why I need the 360 camera for this, you know? Oh, my Jeep's here. Just got that.